So we have discussed about incidence matrix of both directed as well as undirected graph, and we have also seen that if the matrix don't have linearly independent row vectors, uh, in the last part I was using the term independent matrix, it was actually matrix with linearly independent row vectors. Then we try to omit out or eradicate or just remove any of the rows and you will get linearly independent or independent row vectors. वाई वी डिड दैट, ऐसा हमने क्यों किया, क्या जरूरत पड़ गई, आप इस ग्राफ से रिलेटेड सेम नोड एनालिसिस के एग्जांपल से समझ सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज सिमिलर टू दिस ग्राफ. इसका बस ये ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है इस नेटवर्क का. अब इस नेटवर्क के लिए यू जस्ट सी आई हैव chosen the fifth vertex to be my reference or ground. तो अगर हम साइंस असाइन कर दें सभी में, which is like this, it is having direction in this form, it is having direction in this form, it is having direction in this form, this is having direction like this, this is having direction, this is having direction like this. Let me just reverse its direction, and it is having direction like this. Okay, so we have all these directions also. Now if you want to represent the component or element voltage in terms of node voltage, so you know that how would you write it? हम इसे कैसे लिखते थे? Remember, we would have written V1 equals to V first minus V fifth, right? ऐसे ही हम लिख रहे थे. V2 equals to V second minus V1. Like this we would write it, and सारे components जैसे V8 will be equals to V excuse me, V fifth minus V second. Like this you will write it, and you would get to know that this will indeed be equals to this type of a matrix. Remember, in our unit 1 we did all such type of formulations and we call that matrix as incidence matrix. Okay, although it was not in the form of graph, but we did that. Now we also did one thing, that you remove V5 or just say V fifth equal to 0. So if you consider V5 equals to 0, all the terms having V5 will go or will vanish. So it is also similar to just removing whatever is there in V fifth. Just get rid of it. You will get independent rows. So in a way, my incidence matrix AA, इसका आप ट्रांसपोज लीजिए, क्योंकि अभी इट वाज नॉट ऑफ दिस फॉर्म, राइट? इसका ट्रांसपोज लीजिए and you multiply it with vector of node voltages, यानी V first, V second, V third, V fourth, V fifth से you will get element or edge voltages. Okay, in a way, if you have treated one of the vertex as reference, which is a ground, then this A will be replaced by capital A transpose Vn equals to Va. And this is indeed is of more importance to us. This is a generalized version, but this is for node analysis. And this is utilized and used in representing the branch voltages in terms of node voltages. ये जो अब आप ये Vn देख रहे हैं, it is not just one voltage, it is a vector. A vector having V first से लेकर V fourth तक. Because I have removed, personally I have removed V fifth from this. Okay, so this is what it is used for in terms of a graph. Another important thing which is left is, what if this was an undirected graph? So if it was an undirected graph, then instead of doing the mathematical plus, you do an XOR. And I hope you all remember what is XOR. तो जब आपके पास ये undirected होगा तो यहाँ पे negative signs नहीं होंगे, all will be just positive signs, right? So if it is all positive sign, then you, instead of doing the mathematical plus operation, do the logical XOR operation, and you will get to know doing logical XOR will also lead to sum of all row vectors for capital A small a equal to 0. Okay, that's how we do that. Now excuse me, we are moving on to another class or another different type of a metric, which is called as a circuit matrix. Circuit matrix. Okay, but before doing a circuit matrix, I would first like to introduce you to a special submatrix of matrix capital A. So this would deal with what we call as loops. And we also have another matrix which is submatrix of capital AA, that is corresponding to a tree. So for this given circuit, for example, let us say ये जो हमारे पास graph था इसके लिए, you choose a tree. When I'm saying you choose a tree, what does that mean? It means I want to take a subgraph of this graph such that the 3 points, remember, it should include all the vertices. It should be connected. It should have no loops. Then I have to select one subgraph of it. So very first point, it should have all the vertex. All the vertex means सारी vertex 1 2 3 4 5 यहाँ मेरे साथ होनी चाहिए. Okay, then it should be connected. So connected का मतलब there should be at least one path between any pair of vertex. So let me just take another simple example. So this is 1, this is second, this is 4, and this is 5th. So 1 2 4 5 और direction ये रहा. Okay, I have chosen from this only 1 2 4 and 5. So this is a tree now. Does this satisfy the equations? As of now, you just ignore circuit matrix. I'll come on to after some time. Okay, I'll come on to it after some time. Okay, so now for this, I would readjust my A matrix, or I would say AA matrix, such that I would just readjust. It is having all the vertices. Let me just write it. It is having all the vertices, but I will readjust it in the form that first I would like to cover the branches of a tree. So पहले 1 2 4 और 5 के लिए मैं लिखना चाहूंगा. उसके बाद जो बचे, which is 3 6 7 8, I would write after that. Okay, so this portion is with respect to a tree. So let me just fill that using the earlier matrix. So in my earlier matrix, what I was having for 1, it was 1 0 0 0 minus 1. You can simply write it from your previous lecture. Okay, you can simply write it. It is 1 0 0 0 minus 1. Then what about 2? It was, I think, minus 1 1 0 0 0. You can quickly do that from the previous AA matrix we did. So I have done that now. Okay, I have included all what was needed. Now I will simply remove my reference node or the 5th node. So now I am left with a matrix or a submatrix of A. I will not call this as AA. I will simply call this as A because I have removed the last row. So submatrix of A, I call this submatrix, ये जो small portion of this matrix है ना, ये वाला, only this one, including 1 2 4 5 and first, second, third, fourth. I'll call this as AI. AI can be written only with respect to a tree, और ये tree हमने यहाँ select किया था. Okay, so I can say that AI is a submatrix of A as well as AA, दोनों की submatrix है, corresponding to a tree. एंड व्हाट विल बी द साइज ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स? इसकी डायमेंशंस क्या होंगी? इसकी डायमेंशंस होंगी v minus 1 cross v minus 1. So the size will be v minus 1 cross v minus 1 always. Also,